So here's a picture of all the equipment that you need on hiking. There's the compass, which you would use for orienteering and finding your directions. A whistle, which you can use to call out distress signals in case you need help. A map, which you also use for orienteering along with your compass. You can clearly see the route on the map if you mark it down clearly. And towels, because you'll be sweating a lot when you're hiking, so you can use the first towel for wiping your sweat and the second towel for just wrapping around your neck. I usually dip this towel in cold water to keep myself cool when I'm hiking. There are also sunglasses in case it's really sunny, so you can use the sunglasses to see the trail clearly without getting blinded by the sun. Water is always important, keeping you hydrated, and it gives you enough energy to keep on going. Snacks, so sometimes you'll be really tired when you're hiking, so you want to eat something, so snacks like these, like energy bars, are the best. There's also an umbrella to keep out the shade, or if it rains you can use it to keep out the rain, obviously. A plastic bag, so when you finish eating you can use it to put your wrappers in, just like this, so that your waste don't just collect all in your bag. And finally, a hiking pole. This is one of the most important piece of equipment for hiking. You unlong it and then you use it like a third leg so you can stabilize yourself better.